50 Days of Attempting to Change the World by Nima Radan Ar. Dear God, grant me the strength and determination to overcome any obstacles that come my way today. Fill my heart with motivation and guide me toward success. Amen. I believe that each of us can play a role in building a better world with our small and big decisions. I want to take this opportunity to remind others that we are all human and together we can make the world a better place. I want you to join me on this journey. Together we can make a difference. Sincerely, Nima.